How to hide likes on Tumblr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your like on Tumblr. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll just need to open up your Tumblr. After you open up your Tumblr, you'll need to make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the bottom right corner on your profile to head over to your profile. Now on your profile, you'll find three sections: posts, likes, and following. Tap on likes, and there you'll be able to see your likes. Now you can tap on this change button right here where it says everyone can see this page. So tap on the change button, and from here you will be able to hide your likes. So simply select on share posts you like, and after you do that, you will have hidden your likes. And that's how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.